Choosing between AWeber and ConvertKit might look simple, but picking the wrong one can slow down your entire business. In this video, I'm going to break down AWeber and ConvertKit in the simplest way possible so you can choose the right one without wasting time or money. My friend, here's a problem that I see with a lot of business owners. Most people compare tools based on a bunch of random features. But my friend, that's not the way to choose the best tools for your business. What actually matters is how the tool fits your business and how you plan to use it. You see, I've personally tested both of these tools. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one you should choose and why. Before we compare them, let's make this very simple, okay? I want you to understand that there are only a few things that actually matter when choosing an email tool. And as a business owner, here's what you need to be looking at. Number one, ease of use. Can you set things up quickly without confusion? Number two, automation. Can the tool follow up with people automatically? Number three, flexibility. Can you actually organize your contacts the way you want? Number four, scalability. Will the tool still work as your business grows? Number five, cost. Are you paying for what you actually need? So now, let me break down both AWeber and ConvertKit step by step so you yourself can decide which one is better for your business. Let's start with AWeber. AWeber is one of the easiest email tools to start with. Especially if you're building your first email list, this is actually very simple to use. For example, you can create email fast. You can set up basic automation. You can use ready-made templates. So my friend, everything is pretty straightforward when it comes to AWeber. But here's the downside. I want you to keep in mind that as your business grows, AWeber can feel a bit limited compared to more advanced tools. Okay? Yes, it's great for starting, sure. But to be honest with you, it is not always the best choice for complex system. Now, moving on to ConvertKit. You see, ConvertKit is built a bit differently, all right? Instead of focusing on lists, it focuses more on tags. That's the difference. And the beauty about that is that you can literally organize your audience in a more flexible way. For example, you can actually tag people based on what they click, what they sign up for, or what they buy. And I love it because that makes automation cleaner and easy to manage. But my biggest problem, me personally, when it comes to using ConvertKit is that it's slightly harder at the very beginning compared to AWeber. That's the problem. It's not beginners friendly, but it's more powerful when you use it correctly. So my friend, here's a simple difference that I want you to keep in mind between these two tools, okay? AWeber is simple and beginner friendly, okay? ConvertKit, on the other hand, is flexible and better for long-term growth. So here's how I want you to picture in your head, okay? AWeber helps you get started fast. ConvertKit gives you more control as you grow. Now, let me give you a clear decision breakdown when it comes to choosing between these two tools for your business. Choose AWeber if you're just starting, you want something simple, and you don't want to deal with complexity. Choose ConvertKit if you want better organization, you plan to build automation over time, you want more control over your system. Now, let me say something that's going to click for you that I want you to keep in mind for the rest of your life as you are about to use any of these tools that I mentioned here in your business. This is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money, okay? There is no best tools out there for everyone, okay? Let me make sure I make that very clear. There's only the right tool for your situation. So keep that in mind. Now, let's talk about your entire system. The reason why I'm bringing this up, because this is something that most people don't talk about. Look, your email tool is not just a tool. It's part of your system. It needs to connect with your website, your funnels, and your offers. If your system is simple, then AWeber works great. If your system is growing, then ConvertKit gives you more flexibility. The next thing that I want to address in this video is the 4 mistakes that I see a lot of business owners make when it comes to choosing an email tool. Mistake number 1, choosing based on hype. The reason why a lot of business owners waste a ton of money when it comes to choosing an email tool is because they heard someone said, go use this tool, this is the best tool, go ahead and use it. You do not want to do that. You want to make sure that if you're going to choose a tool, you're going to choose an email tool based on your need. That's it. Mistake number 2, overthinking the decision. Look, you need to stop overthinking everything, okay? You do not need the perfect tool. You just need a tool that works so you can start. The third mistake, number 3, is not using the tool properly. Let me say something that will click for you. If you're picking the right tool, but you're not using it correctly, even the best tools out there won't help you. If you don't set up automation, if you don't send emails, and if you don't set up a simple system. Why? Because the tool itself doesn't grow your business. The system does. Mistake number 4, you're trying to do too much. So many business owners are trying to build everything at once. Don't do that, okay? Start simple, then improve as you go. So let's recap everything that we talked about in this video. AWeber is best for beginners. ConvertKit is better for flexibility. Now here's one thing that I want you to take away from this video. Make sure that you pick based on where you are right now, not where you think you should be. So if you want to see how to set up your email system the right way from start to finished and avoid all the mistakes that most people make sure that you check on the first link you see down below under this YouTube description. I walk you through everything step by step so you can build a clean system that actually works. I'll see you inside. Take care.